Balancing heritage and tradition with a relentless pursuit of innovation, the next company we visited offers a wide variety of state licensure programs, including professional aesthetics, laser skincare training, as well as many other advanced aesthetics training courses. Join us in New York City as we meet Atelier Esthetique.
Together, both Atelier Esthetique and Swedish Institute unite their common heritage for providing high-quality education both during their education process and while they are looking for that new job out there in their specific field, the things that make them excited. Our students always come first. We're deeply committed to making sure our programs are up to date and relevant to industry demands, which is particularly important in the beauty and skincare worlds, where things are constantly changing and constantly improving. Last year, we launched our new medical aesthetics program. With our nursing program at Swedish Institute and our expertise in aesthetics training at Atelier, it was a natural next progression for us. We are also invested in some of the latest skincare technology to ensure that our students, both estheticians and medical estheticians, receive training on current equipment, services, and techniques.
We have a 600-hour New York State licensing aesthetics program where students learn to perform facials, waxing, makeup, body treatments, and the skills they need to own and operate their own business. The program can be completed in as little as 4 months, but we also have evening and weekend schedules for individuals who need to maintain other commitments so they can go to school. We're also the only school in New York City to offer a 900-hour master aesthetics program where the focus is on paramedical aesthetics. We're excited about the launch of the medical aesthetics program so that these estheticians can learn proper advanced skin treatments under a medical director. Licensed estheticians from around the world come and train with us as well so they can get certified in IPL laser hair removal, facial sculpting, dermaplaning, and so much more.
Our students are exposed to a variety of highly trained licensed aesthetic instructors, each with their own area of expertise. From the beginning of the program, not only do our students learn the theory and science of skincare, but they get hands-on practical experience as well. The most exciting thing is about halfway through our program, our students and graduates get to work on the general public in our student clinic. And this is a great segue between school and the real world. Upon graduating, many of our students go on to accept positions in one of the many spas we partner with or open their own business. We measure our success by our students' success, and that's why we hold our students to a higher level of professionalism and skill.
This legacy is driven forward by our innovation and our unique approach to skincare and aesthetics education. We absolutely go above and beyond what other institutions do, and it definitely shows.